Try this spiced tea on a cold winter's day. It's made with water, orange juice, lemon juice, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, and honey. Heat up 1 liter of water and 1 cup of orange juice, together with juice of 1 lemon, and the spices are 1 stick of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cloves, and half a teaspoon of allspice. Just as the mixture reaches the boil, add 5 teaspoons of black tea leaves. Let it steep for a few minutes and then sweeten with honey to your taste. Now the tea is ready to serve. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching, and thank you also